Good morning, my dear children. This is Tarangini. Welcome back to EVS class. Children, very warm welcome to all of you. Children, today we are going to learn about wild animals. Okay, children, what are wild animals? What are wild animals? Animals live in forest. Animals live in forest are called wild animals. Animals live in forest, okay, are called wild animals such as lion, tiger, zebra, elephant, bear, etc. Okay, children, I want to say one thing. Wild animals live on their own. Wild animals live on their own. Domestic animals depend on human beings for food and shelter, but wild animals live on their own. Okay, they roam here and there in search of food and shelter. They roam here and there in search of food and shelter. Okay, children, wild animals hunt for their food. Wild animals hunt for their food. Wild animals will move one place to another. Wild animals can be dangerous, children. They will eat flesh. They can kill anybody and fight for food. They can kill anybody and fight for food. Okay, children, it is not safe to keep them at home. It is not safe to keep wild animals at home. We can see these wild animals at zoo and national parks. We can see these wild animals at zoos and national parks. Where they live, children? Wild animals in forest. Okay, they live on their own. They hunt for their food. Okay. Next, what is this animal, children? Yeah, this is lion. Children, what is this? This is lion. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. All of you know this one, na? The lion is known as the king of the jungle. The lion's head is covered with yellow brown hair. See, the lion's head is covered with yellow brown hair, which is called mane. Which is called mane. A female lion is called the lioness. A female lion is called the lioness. It is easy to identify a lioness because she doesn't has a mane. Did you understand, children? It is easy to find a lioness because she doesn't has a mane. The sound of the lion is called a roar or growl. Okay. Next, what is this animal, children? Yeah, this is tiger. The tiger belongs to the cat family, children. Do you know that? That is why they look like a big cat. Okay. The female tiger is called tigress. The female tiger is called tigress. The sound of the tiger is called roar. Okay. Again, I want to say one interesting thing, children. Tigers are good swimmers. Tigers are good swimmers. Okay. Next, what is this animal, children? Yeah, this is zebra. The color of the zebra is white with black stripes. White with black stripes. Zebra loves to eat grass and leaves. Okay, children. Next, what is this animal, children? Yeah, this is an elephant. An elephant is the biggest animal. It has a huge body and a big trunk. Okay, it has two big ears and and two big teeth. Okay, an elephant likes to eat leaves and fruits, especially banana. Elephants likes to eat banana. The sound of the elephant is called trumpet. These are some wild animals, children. Then what I said, did you understand, children? Animals live in the forest we are calling as wild animals. Okay, wild animals live on their own. They will not depend upon on human beings for their food and shelter. Okay, but domestic animals depend on the human beings for their food and shelter. Wild animals live on their own. They roam here and there in search of food and shelter. Okay, children? Children, where do wild animals live, children? Where do wild animals live? Children, animals need home. to protect themselves and their babies from other animals. Did you understand, children? Animals also need home to protect themselves and their babies from other animals. Wild animals live in natural shelter. Wild animals live in natural shelters. Okay, see, lion lives in den. Tiger also lives in den. Bear lives in caves. Okay, elephants shelter under trees. Elephants take shelter under trees. Zebras also take shelter under trees. Monkeys live on trees. Okay, again I'm saying wild animals live in natural shelters. Natural shelters. Okay, lion and tiger lives in caves or dens. Bear also lives in cave. Elephant takes shelter under trees. Zebra lives under trees. Okay, monkeys lives on trees. Okay, children. Children, what type of the food they eat, children? Animals, what type of food they eat, children? Children, animals have different food habits like people. Okay, like human beings. Animals also have different food habits. Okay, children, some animals eat only plants or leaves. Some animals eat only plants, okay, or leaves. These animals we are calling as herbivorous animals. Plant eating animals we are calling as herbivorous animals, children. Animals who eat only plants. See, elephant is who eat only plants, fruits, etc. Like that only. So elephant we are calling as herbivorous animal. Okay, deer also eat only grass or plants. That's why we are calling deer as herbivorous animal. Only plant eating animals we are calling as herbivorous animals. Again I'm saying animals who eat only plants or leaves are called herbivorous animals. This means some animals eat only plants. That animals we are calling as herbivorous animals. Okay, children, some animals will eat only flesh or meat of other animals. Animals that eat the meat of other animals are called carnivorous animals. See, some animals will eat only flesh. Some animals will eat only plants. That animals we are calling as herbivorous animals. Some animals will eat only flesh of other animals. That animals we are calling as carnivorous animals. Animals that eat the meat of other animals are called carnivorous animals. Okay, children? Children, some animals eat both plants and animals. Did you understand, children? Some animals will eat only plants. Some animals will eat only flesh. But some animals will eat both plants and flesh. That animals we are calling as omnivorous animals. Okay, children? Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous animals. See, this example is bear. This is here it is eating grass, here it is eating meat. So bear is eating both plant and meat. So this is a omnivorous animal. This is chimpanzee. Here chimpanzee is eating plant. Here it is eating flesh or meat. So chimpanzee eating both plant and flesh also or meat. So this is omnivorous animal. So animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous animals. Okay, children? Children, see, again I want to explain about wild animals. See, listen carefully, children. Wild animals. Some animals live in jungle or forest. They roam around freely in the forests. They roam here and there freely in the forest. They are not friendly like dogs or cats. They are not friendly like dogs or cats. They are called wild animals. They are called wild animals. They live in jungle. They will roam here and there or freely in forest. They are not friendly like dogs or cats. They are called wild animals. They are very dangerous animals, children. Again I'm saying they eat flesh. Some animals will eat flesh. They can kill anybody and fight for food. Okay, children? Children, see this picture, children. See, what is this animal? This is snake. What is this? This is crocodile. Earlier, the skin of these animals was used as leather to make purses, belts, shoes, etc. What I said, children? Leather is made from the skin of some animals. Leather is made from the skin of these animals. So what is happening now? They are endangered animals. So what they do? What is happening, children? Because leather things are very costly. Leather shoes, leather bag, leather belt, they are very costly items. So human beings, what they are doing? They want to earn money. So what they are doing? They are killing these animals and taking their skin, and they are making leather things. So what we have to should do, children? We should avoid using these objects. If you're not buying, if you are not using these objects, they will stop killing these animals. So please, what I'm saying, listen carefully. Avoid using leather things. So if we avoid, they will stop killing these animals. Please try to understand what I'm saying. Okay. So what they saying earlier, the skin of these animals used as leather to make purses, belts, shoes, etc. Now they are endangered animals. They are in danger, and we should avoid using these objects. Okay, children. Children, see this picture. What is this animal? This is rhinoceros. What is this? This is elephant. Children, read. Earlier, the tusks and horns of these animals were used to make ornaments and medicines. So, what human beings doing, children? They are using these tusks and horns. Okay, horns and tusks. They with these tusks and horns, people are making ornaments and medicines. Now they are endangered animals. What is the meaning of endangered, children? Animals present in such small number that is at risk of extinction are called endangered animals. I'll explain simply. See, children. Now we are seeing this rhinoceros, elephants, a few number only. Okay, so people are what they're doing? They're hunting these animals for their tusks and horns. So they're killing these animals. So if we continue like this, in future we are it's impossible to see these animals, because slowly their number is decreasing, because destruction of their habitats one reason, pollution is one reason, overhunting is one reason. So because of this reason, these animals are endangered animals. Okay, so what we have to do, children? We should avoid using these objects. People making ornaments with horns and tusks, na, what we have to do? We should avoid using this object, or we should not buy these objects. People are making ornaments with tusks and horns, na. So what we have to do? We should not buy those objects. If you are not buying, what they will do? They will stop killing these animals. No one is buying, no one using these things, making with tusks and horns. What they will do? They will stop killing these animals. So children, I want to say one thing: animals are the wealth of our country. So we should protect all the animals and take care of them properly. Okay, children, now I'll give you one activity. This is today's activity. Draw and color leather belt and bag pictures. This leather belt and bag pictures, draw and color neatly and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, children? Thank you, children.